Tutorials, your one-stop source for everyday tech hacks. So today's tech tutorial is about how do we hide and unhide files on Mac. So in this tutorial you will learn how do you easily hide or unhide any of the files that you have on your Mac OS. So let's get started. You can open terminal, and how can you do that? You can simply go to applications, utilities, and open terminal. So let me quickly show you that as well. You can go to applications, you can go to terminal. So basically you can just go to utilities and from there open terminal. So this is how you open terminal. So I am in the folder Mac. I am in the folder Mac underscore tutorials. So I'm going to show you how do we easily. So here I have a file which is test underscore hidden.png. It's an image file, and we will learn how to hide it and how to unhide it. So let's get started. There is a simple command which says ch flags. That's right. So you just type ch flags and then you pass the option hidden and then pass the file name. So that's the parameters. The command is ch flags followed by parameter hidden followed by the file name. So once you enter, and now when you try to look for that, you should not see that. Let's see that in our. So you see you're not seeing the file here because it's hidden now. So this is how you can hide any file on Mac. Now let's say we want to unhide or we want to see the file again. How do we do that? So for that, go to the same directory, which is in my case it's Mac underscore tutorials, and then we will run the command ch flags no hidden test underscore png. So it has run the command. Now you see here automatically it has put it back the image, right? Cool, right? So the command is ch flags with the parameter hidden or no hidden followed by the file names. This way you can hide or unhide any files on Mac. So this was one of the cool tutorial today that I covered. If you like my channel and this tutorial and these videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to support me. Thank you so much.